Alright, today we're featuring a 2014 Jeep Patriot Sport, 92,000 miles on it. Alright, billet silver metallic in color. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the window vents right here. Driver's side of the Patriot's in great shape. Alright, make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks really good here. Alright, it is also equipped with the roof rails. Okay. Exterior of this Patriot's in great shape. Alright, it's got 92,000 miles on it. It's a 14 clean CARFAX One-Owner local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, carpet's nice and clean. Got the titanium inserts here, kind of like the cross mesh pattern here. Black trim. Driver's seat's in great shape. Center console, got the upper storage and the lower storage there. Passenger seat cloth is also in great shape. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. It is an automatic. Got another power outlet right over here. Climate control area, single CD player, AM FM radio. Alright, got your cruise control on this side of the steering wheel. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 92,280 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display here. Okay, single CD, AM FM radio, climate control area right here, up underneath. Once again, got your automatic transmission. Okay, it's a 2-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and hop out, and it does have the illuminated cup holders as well. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look at the back seat. Right, door panels back here in great shape. Carpet back here is nice and clean. All right, let me go ahead and walk around, open up that passenger side door. I'm going to let as much light in here as possible. These dark seats, sometimes it's hard to see. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, same pattern as the front seats here. Got the cross mesh titanium insert, black trim. Back seats are in great shape. Alright, give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. This is a 14 with 92,000 miles. The interior in this thing is fantastic. Alright, back seat carpet's nice and clean. Spare tire and jack underneath. I'll step to the side, but you can see there's plenty of room in the back of these Patriots. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, let's see, we got 16-inch alloy, or 16-inch steel wheels, 16-inch steel wheels. Tires are still in good shape, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 14 Patriot Sport. This thing is in fantastic condition inside and out. It's been well taken care of. It's got 92,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX, One-Owner. It's a local trade. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.